Hi, this is Edison Guzman with Adria Gross today, and we have a special case for you today. Today we're going to talk about how claims were denied for having an appendectomy. You would think that that life-saving procedure is going to be denied, but Adria, good afternoon. Tell us about this case.
There was a gentleman who called me up, and he lives in Brooklyn. He had a very he had a job in New York City where he was in the theater district, and besides being in the theater district, he also worked at a restaurant. So because of COVID, now the restaurant is closed, the theaters are closed, and he's not making any money. He winds up having these excruciating pains in his stomach, and they found out that he had appendicitis and he needed an appendectomy. So in the evening, he goes to the hospital and he comes through the emergency room. They kept him there, and he needed an appendectomy. So the appendectomy is done by the hospital. He's insured with one of the major insurance companies in the U.S. I'm lucky that they know me in the executive office. So the hospital submitted the bill 3 times. And each time, well, they were asking for different coding, they gave them whatever they wanted. The hospital, I spoke to the CFO at the hospital, they were so upset that now they've been denied 3 times. And how in God's name can you deny an appendectomy? They wanted to change the coding, they did the changing, 3 times they submitted that bill. So I spoke to the patient, and I also contacted the hospital because I wanted to see all the billing that was submitted. I get on the phone, I called the insurance company, and I said to him, again, how can you deny an appendectomy? I mean, this is, a major emergency. People can die if they don't have the procedure done. So, long story short, they did pay it, but what they did is they minimized the amount of payment that they pay out for the fact that he was only there for 23 hours. So they paid the claim, took off $2,000 of what they normally pay out, and the claim has been finalized. What I'm working on right now with the client is he doesn't have any money, and he has a pretty nice copay and deductible. So what we're doing right now is we're trying to get that erased by the hospital, because there's no way that he can pay it, and I do believe that with the paperwork we're going to submit, that it will be that they will accept what they've been paid.
Excellent. So this is going to be probably a follow-up video to see what happens here, but so far you've been batting 1,000 with all the case studies and helping out your clients the way that you normally do. So how can someone contact you if they need to contact you, especially in a situation like this one?
So my name is Adria Gross. I'm the owner of MedWise Insurance Advocacy. You can call me at 845-978-9493, or you could go right to the website www.medicalinsuranceadvocacy.com. Again, that's www.medicalinsuranceadvocacy.com. And again, my phone number is 845-978-9493, 845-978-9493. Thank you.